So let us continue with the seventh question of the exercises of the lesson electricity. They are given the values of currents. You can look into the question in your textbook also. It is the seventh question of the exercises. Okay. And the page number is 221. Okay, they are given the different values of currents and the different values of corresponding voltages. Current is 0.5 amperes when the voltage is 1.6. Okay, current is 1 ampere when the voltage is 3.4, 2 amperes when the voltage is 6.7, then 3 amperes when the voltage is 10.2 volts, and 4 amperes when the voltage is 13.2. So I have drawn a graph here, taken voltage along the y-axis, current along the x-axis. Here 1 centimeter on the x-axis I have taken as 0.5 amperes. So it is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.54. And on the y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter as 2 units, that is 2 volts. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So I have plotted the different values. So when the current is 0.5 amperes, voltage is 2 volts. When the current is 1, okay, the potential difference or voltage is 3.2 and so on. Okay. And when it is 2, it is 6.7. When it is 3, okay, it is 10.2. And when it is 4, it is 13.2. It is taken like this. I have plotted all these points. Plot these points and you come to know all these come in a straight line. Once they come in a straight line, you join all of them. Okay, so do that. So I have joined them by a straight line. After joining, what you can do is, you can calculate the resistance by taking the ratio of V by I. So what I will do is, I will just complete this triangle like this. So this is the voltage and this is the current. And this current is 3 minus 2. Okay, the current is 3.0 minus 2.0. That is, you get 1.0. And voltage, I will say, voltage is 10.2 minus 6.7. So it is 10.2 minus 6.7. Okay, you subtract and write that. I'll just see 12 minus 7 is 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So resistance R will be equal to V by I by Ohm's law. V is 3.5 upon 1.0. 1.0 means 1. So you get resistance is 3.5 ohms. So in the question they had asked to calculate the resistance. So resistance according to this is 3.5 ohms. Let us see the 8th question now. I will read the 8th question. When a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliamperes in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. So potential difference or voltage is 12 volts. Current I is 2.5 milliamperes. Milli means thousandth of 1 part. 1 part in 1,000. So it becomes 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 amperes. And by Ohm's law, you know, V is equal to IR. So R becomes equal to V by I. So it becomes equal to V is how much? 12. And current is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it becomes 12 upon 2.5. When you take this 10 raised to minus 3 up, it becomes 10 raised to plus 3. So this you can cancel, or I will do one thing. To remove the decimal point, I will add 1 0 here. It becomes 120 upon 25 into 10 raised to 3. So this becomes, I will just see. So if you solve this, 120 upon 25 into 10 raised to 3, 125 upon 120 upon 25, you get 4.8 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, so you can either write it as 4.8 kilo ohms or just multiply and write it. It becomes 4800 ohms. So this is the answer. If there are any discrepancies in the solution part, in the calculation part, you please carry forward the calculation and do it by yourself. Don't blindly copy or don't just depend on me. Okay. Now, I will read the 9th question. A battery of 9 volts is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohms, 0.3 ohms, 0.4 ohms, 0.5 ohms and 12 ohms respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? So potential difference is 9 volts, R1 is 0.2 ohms, R2 is 0.3, R3 is 0.4, R4 is 0.5 and R5 is 12 ohms. All are connected in series. So they have asked how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor. So I have just written V is equal to 9 volts, R1 is 0.2, R2 is 0.3 ohms, R3 is 0.4, R4 is 0.5 and R5 is 12 ohms. And you know the equivalent resistance for series combination or series connection is given by R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 so on. So equivalent resistance R becomes equal to 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. If you add all this, it comes out to be 13.4 ohms. And by Ohm's law, current is given by I is equal to V by R. That is V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. V is 9 volts. Equivalent resistance is 13.4 ohms. So to remove this decimal point in the denominator, I take 1 0 here because there was only one digit after the decimal point. So I have taken 1 0. So it becomes 90 by 134. So if you calculate this, it comes out to be 0.67 amperes. Okay, you can do the calculations yourself and check the answer. So I will just read the 10th question of the exercises. That is on page number 221. You all also can open your book and refer it. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 amperes on a 220 volt line? Okay, how many 176 ohm resistors are in parallel are required to carry 5 amperes on a 220 volt line? Okay, so here I have written the solution. Potential difference V is 220 volts. Current I is equal to 5 amperes. And each resistor is 176 ohms. Let N be the number of resistors in parallel. So equivalent resistance for parallel combination is given by 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. So for this 1 by R is equal to, each resistance is how much? 176 ohms. So 1 upon 176 plus 1 upon 176 so on N times. N times because we have considered the number of resistors in parallel be N. So 1 upon 176 so on N times. So it becomes 1 into N upon 176 or N upon 176. So R becomes equal to 176 upon N. So you get this R is equal to 176 by N. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay. So V is 220, I is 5 amperes, R is 176 by N. By cross multiplication, N goes here, 220 comes down here. So N is equal to 5 into 176 upon 220. So 5 into 176 is 880 upon 220. If you cancel this, you get 4. So N is equal to what? 4 resistors. So 4 resistors have to be connected, okay, across a 220 volts, okay, line to carry a current of 5 amperes, and each resistance value is 176 ohms. Please take down all these notes in your fare. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.